Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to get your LLC and your EIN number in Virginia. And this whole process is going to be really fast and easy. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you follow along on yours, and I'm going to tell you what to fill out for every single question. So there's going to be no guessing. This is going to be super straightforward and easy, and I'm also going to make it as inexpensive as possible for you. I'm going to show you what options can make this cheaper. So click the link in the description below. It's for Tailor Brands, and that's the site I'm going to use to show you how to file your LLC. So you can click that link and let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the Tailor Brands site, and you're going to start by clicking Virginia. Okay, now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure that it's available for an LLC. So, for example, I do eyelash extensions. There we go. And what stage of your business are you currently in? And then you're going to type in an industry. So kind of like what category does this fall into? For me, I'm doing eyelash extensions, and there we go. And are you selling a good or a service, or maybe both? And this is just asking if you're going to hire employees. This is a survey question, so if you change your mind, it's not a big deal. And same here, it's another survey on what your financial goals are. Now you're going to use the zip code of your business. So if you have a storefront, use that zip code. If you don't, you can just use your home zip code as long as it's in Virginia. And are you serving customers online, at a shopper's store, or on the go? So you can click all that apply here. And today I want you to click LLC and also EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So some point within this year, you'll more than likely need to have an EIN number. And I love Tailor Brands for this page specifically right here. It's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. Whatever you need, Tailor Brands can help you do it super easy, so you don't have to search the web and do all this extra stuff to try to figure it out on your own. Maybe you need like a logo created, or I don't know, a website designed, or help with accounting. Whatever it is, you can click it here. If you guys want to click anything else today, feel free to do so. I'm just going to click these two for now. And this is a survey we can skip. Okay, you're going to click YouTube. Okay, and Tailor Brands is offering you a free 12-week business coaching program. It's completely free. You can kind of like check in and out of it. There's no pressure to stick with it, or no time frame that you have to do it in. And yeah, I like to take it. It's free. Maybe I can learn something to help me make more money. If you want to skip it, just hit no thanks. And now you're going to enter your personal information. And then you can create a password. All right, and real quick, look at this bar on the very top here. You can see we're already 2/3 of the way through, which is amazing. So let's keep going. Okay, so now it's asking, do you want Tailor Brands to help you with your EIN number? So if you want to save some money, you can do your EIN number on the IRS website. In my opinion, I feel like government websites are super outdated and really hard to navigate, and honestly, it's just a stress that I don't want to deal with. Tailor Brands can do the EIN number for me for just $99, and this would be this first option here. And for me, that's totally worth the headache. Pretty much me just clicking this button is them doing it for me. And also keep in mind the IRS website only lets you do it Monday through Friday business hours. So if you're doing this on a Saturday or Sunday, you can't. So this is why I recommend doing it through Tailor Brands. And as far as assigning a registered agent, okay, this is like a fancy term for no reason. Basically, as far as being a registered agent, it's who's going to receive the mail for your business and who's going to receive the mail in regards to your LLC for your business. So if you live in Virginia and your business is in Virginia, you will be your own registered agent. Now, if you don't live in Virginia and you're filing an LLC for maybe like tax benefits, something like that, you will then need to appoint someone in the state. So if you need help appointing a registered agent, Tailor Brands can do it for you. It's $199. But for most of you guys watching this video, you will be your own registered agent. And it's just asking, are you sure? Pretty much everything I just explained here. Yes, you're sure. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to renew it, you're going to be hit with a bunch of late fees and fines, which we obviously want to avoid. So if you think you'll get too busy and caught up and forget to renew it, Tailor Brands can renew it for you every single year. It's $199 a year. It's a little expensive. However, it's still cheaper than those late fees. So keep that in mind. If you think you remember on your own, just click this button right here. I'll handle the compliance. And would you like a branding toolkit? I'm going to click no. And if you'd like your LLC in just 2 days from now, it's an extra $49. I always like to select that option. But if you want to save some money, it'll come to you in 2 weeks for no extra charge. Okay, an operating agreement is really good to have if you have partners in the business. So the operating agreement basically breaks down what are the duties and responsibilities and ownership of the business and who does it belong to, which parts belong to which person. So if you're working just by yourself, this is your own business, there's no one else, then you do not need an operating agreement. You'll click this one here. If you have a partner, definitely recommend to check it out and make sure that it kind of keeps you secure in case there's any issues down the line. This is a formation kit. It's $99. It basically has all of the organizational paperwork that you would need for your accounting, your planning, everything like that. But I told you guys I'd save you some money, so I'm just going to click no for this. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC. Okay, and you guys, Tailor Brands has a couple different plans you can check out. For example, these more expensive plans, they can create a website for you. Some have like bookkeeping services, and they have a lot of good stuff in here. And honestly, it kind of is worth the money, depending on what you're trying to do with your business. But if you're just getting started and all you need is the LLC and EIN, we're going to click this first option here, and it's free. Okay, so here's the breakdown of what we're paying for today. So the Virginia state filing fee for an LLC is $100, and this is just the mandated state filing fee. No matter where you file your LLC, it's always going to be that price. Now, the cool thing with Tailor Brands is we're getting that free coaching program, which I love. We're paying $49 for that 2-day filing, and if you decide you want to change, save some money, change your mind, you can just unclick it. And that will be our total for today. So after about a week or so, then you'll be charged with that $99 for the EIN number. So don't be surprised when you see that charge come through. It is correct. It's just for the second part of this process. Now, after you go to pay, it's going to ask you again what address you want to use for your LLC. If you have a storefront or a shop, use that. If you don't, I'm on the go, I'm mobile. I've always used my home address, and I've never had issues with like spam mail, junk, anything like that. It's just for them to have on file and contact you if they need something in regards to your LLC. If you're not comfortable using your home address, do a quick Google search on how to get a virtual address. That works just as good too. But that's it, you guys. You've just filed your LLC and EIN number. I hope this was easy to follow along, but if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below. I wish you guys the best of luck in your business, and I will see you in the next one.